Late nights, yet again. If you were paying attention earlier, I told you I had a class. It was so divine because Keithon has the perfect head of locks for my lock styling class. Finally got the Z-Stitch on him. Simple, elegant, and it is his anniversary, so wanted to be elegant and beautiful. Hopefully his wife won't be swinging from his hair and he have to come in and get it redone. Anyway, keeping it like breezy. Gotta get up out of here because it's late. So I mean, of course the video will be timestamped so the wife is not mad and think that, you know, he's somewhere else doing God knows what. Anywho, y'all know I got to keep it real funky and friendly. I love y'all to pieces and y'all know that. Thank you so much for the love and support. Gonna tag Yoni Red because I was in her class. She has okayed it and said it was damn near perfect. So again, don't come on here talking no spit because I'ma hurt you. All right, y'all come catch these hands. I'll be back in here tomorrow. All the info is right where it needs to be. Peace.